Northwest University shaped my career direction in a number of ways. So I'd never thought that I was going to eventually ever go into politics. When I did all of that transition from being a student to a supplemental instructor to now lecturing, and I realized that all of this theoretical literature and everything that I'm teaching, you're imparting this knowledge from a, teaching and learning point of view. But every single year, we listen to the State of the Nation address, we watch city addresses, we watch provincial addresses by premiers and whatnot. But the reports that we get back from the Auditor General and other independent reports seem to paint a picture that what I've been learning theoretically is not being done in these institutions of government, and that is why there is a collapse, as it were. So I made a decision then to join politics, but as a staff member of the Democratic Alliance at the time. All I know is that I've got great moments. I've been well developed, well trained by this institution, and those that I had the pleasure of meeting, both in the hostel, both in academia, and even outside. And it is those people that have said, you want to go into this jungle? Well, go, but make sure that you change people's lives. And that's it. From an ethics point of view, this university, here you don't play here. Here, this institution does not play. Like you always, when it came to doing things right, there is a certain insistence on perfection. I was young, I was like 26. There could have been a lot of things wrong that happened. You're young, you are unmarried, you are a lecturer to all of these students. There are a lot of things that could easily come and creep in and make you do wrong things. But the foundation that, these lecturers who then became later colleagues, kind of set up was perfect because they had honest conversations with you. It's like, there are students that are going to come, they are going to want marks. What are you going to do? These are conversations that they had. Because even in politics now, how many people are going to come to you and say, well, leadership, we want you to influence this tender. But because your ethical grounding and standing was really kind of built with people that knew that if you do not have a backbone, if you do not have if you are always going to be swayed to kind of want to live like that and move like that, you are not going to succeed. Would I send my kid here 100%? I've got a certain attached bias to the Northwest University, obviously, because I spent years here. But it's not even about being biased. It's about the quality of education that you get here. So there's everything here. There's nothing you don't have here. You've got a supportive institution. You've got good quality education. You've got sporting facilities that are some of the best in the country. What don't you have here? Well, you have everything here. So definitely my children will come here. Be part of the SRC, man. Be part of different things in the university. We still have SAR, that we're doing, ankle, bingo. Go and sing, man. Enjoy, be part, get involved. The more you get involved, the more you learn different things, the more you get to appreciate different friendships, different people from different backgrounds. The more you're really able to also kind of assess yourself to say, is this what I like? Is this what I like? And you're able to kind of determine, whether you belong here, whether you belong there. But get involved. Getting involved opens doors, guys. And so for me, I think get involved, participate, learn new things, and you'll really have lekker kry, glad kry, klaar kry. You'll achieve those things.